Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 11, the coastal plains. India is blessed with a very long coastline. It begins from the Gulf of Kutch and ends at West Bengal. As you can see in the map, it starts from Gulf of Kutch and ends with West Bengal. Starting from the Gulf of Kutch in the western coastal plain, it moves southwards along the borders of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. Right? And touches Kanyakumari, the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. It touches Kanyakumari at the tip. And this part of the coastline is along the Arabian Sea. As you can see, look into the map. Between the Western Ghats and the coast, the land is plain and is known as the Western Coastal Plain. This land is plain and it is known as Western Coastal Plain. From Kanyakumari, the coast moves northwards and reaches up to West Bengal. This part of the coastline is along the Bay of Bengal. It is along the Bay of Bengal. Between the Eastern Ghats and the coast, the land is plain and is known as the Eastern Coastal Plain. Because it is in the east side, that's why it is known as Eastern Coastal Plain, and the total length of the coastline is 6,100 kilometers. Such a long coastline is very useful for our country. Fishing is an important occupation of the people living on the coasts. Main occupation is fishing. Many seaports have been developed along the coast. So many seaports are also developed. Now, the western coastal plain starts from Gujarat. Look into the map. It starts from Gujarat and ends at Kanyakumari. It lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. It is in between Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. And it can be divided into three parts. We can divide it into three parts that are Gujarat coast. First part is Gujarat coast, second is Konkan coast, and the third one is Malabar coast. Right? First one is Gujarat coast. It lies in the northern part. It lies between the Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Khambat. It is in between that, both of them Gulf. Then the Konkan coast lies in the middle part and the Malabar coast lies in the southern part of the western coastal plain. The middle part of the western coastal plain, that is Konkan coast, that starts from Gulf of Khambat. Gulf of Khambat से start होता है Konkan coast and stretches up to Goa. And Konkan coast Gulf of Khambat से start होके कहाँ तक होता है? Goa तक. It is very rocky and uneven. To warn the ships and fishing boats, many lighthouses have been built along the coast. And Mumbai, India's biggest port, is located on the Konkan coast. Mumbai is the biggest port of India, and it is located on the Konkan coast. And the Konkan coast is very rich in oil deposits. Right? After then comes to the southern part of the western coastal plain is called the Malabar coast. This is the western coastal plain. It is the southern part of the western coastal plain and it is known as Malabar coast. It lies between the Goa and Kanyakumari. That pink line, it is in between Goa and Kanyakumari. Small and shallow saltwater lakes are the beauty of this area. We call them lagoons or backwaters. These are lagoons you can see in the picture. These lagoons are connected to each other by canals. Kochi is the most important seaport of the Malabar coast. Kochi is the most important seaport of the Malabar coast. Next comes to the eastern coastal plain. The eastern coastal plain begins from West Bengal in the north and stretches up to Kanyakumari. That red line, it stretches up to Kanyakumari. It passes through the coastal areas of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. It lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. इन दोनों के बीच में lie करता है Eastern coastal plain, right? The eastern coastal plain is wider than the western coastal plain. It is wider. Now, have you heard about the Coromandel coast and Northern Sarkars? No. The northern part of the eastern coastal plain is called the Northern Sarkars, and the southern part is called the Coromandel coast. The pink coast is Coromandel coast and the green one is rivers like Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari and Mahanadi form their deltas along the eastern coastal plain. They form the delta along the eastern coastal plains. These deltas are very fertile and are called the rice bowls of India. Kolkata, Chennai, Paradwip and Vishakhapatnam are the important seaports on the eastern coastal plains. That's all in this chapter. If you have any problem, any confusion, you can ask. Thank you and have a wonderful day.